So welcome guys. So today we are going to learn about tuples. This is another kind of data types. So in previous videos we learned about lists, and before that we had all the introduction part about Python. From lists we have started data types. Okay. So now it is tuples. A tuple is just a kind of list, but it is represented in this kind of bracket, simple brackets. And the main difference between lists and tuples are that tuples are not non-mutable or non-editable, while lists can be edited or mutated. Okay, so t's we have provided a t as empty tuple. We are giving t some integers now, integer values for tuple. Then we print t. We get 1, 2, 3. Similarly, we give ints and characters, sorry, ints and strings to a tuple, and it also gets printed. Now we are giving it tuples with tuples and lists. It means in tuples only we are giving it lists and tuples. So it's called nested tuple. So okay, it's very intuitive. It's very easy to understand. Okay. So now we are giving a tuple with string Satish T, and we are writing type T. Type T is a keyword which gives type of the type of whichever parameter we have provided it. In this, we have provided it T as parameter and T has a tuple. Sorry, T as a string as parameter as a data type. So it will give data type string. And if we use this comma, okay. So now it gives data type of T as tuple. As tuple has more than one values that is represented by commas, okay, to yeah, to be accepted as a tuple. Okay, so t now again t is Satish, print t type Satish, sorry, type t, type is tuple. Okay, so as we have provided commas, so there is no bracket, that doesn't matter, but the type will be counted as tuple. When we print t, that is all obviously Satish as with a tuple. You can see in output there has been a bracket, so the comma proves that it is a tuple. Now accessing elements in tuple, it's very easy. The indexing, which we all know, we have some names Satish, Murli, Naveen. So when we use t1, the index of 1 is Murli, so the Murli will be printed. Okay, similarly, t minus 1, it will go from backside. Brahma would be printed. So, okay, it's very intuitive. It's very easy. So now we have a tuple of tuple, ABC and a tuple. Sadish Vishnu. No. Okay, so now T1, the index of tuple is 1. The whole tuple will be counted as one index. Okay, that is Satish Naveen Srinu. Srinu. Okay, so print 1, 2. That means from index 1, print the tuple of index 2 as 2. It means use index 1 for tuple 1 for tuple t, and the ins for inside tuple use index 2 for output. So index 2 is Srinu. Okay, Srinu is printed. Easy as it is very easy. Okay, slicing in tuple, you must have never remember slicing in lists. It's very similar to it. T is equals to 1 2 3 5 6. T t with square brackets 1 to 4. It means from 2 to 0 1 2 3 4, from 5 till 5. So 2 2 3 4 will be printed, obviously. From index 1 to index 4 will be printed, up to index 4, sorry, from 1 to up to index 4. So okay, from now again, from starting to index minus 2. From index minus 2 means up to 5. So 4 till 4 will be printed, 1 2 3 4. And this means the whole string, the whole tuple should be printed from start index to end index. Okay, so always end index would be here 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 would be the end index. Okay, if we want to print the whole from 0 to, if you want, if I want to say 6. I don't know why it's not working. Let's see. 6 from 0, as it prints from minus 1. Sorry, it prints from 0 to n minus 1 till 6, but there are index from 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we have to give it 6 if we want to print the whole string from start to end. Changing tuple, we can change tuple, but we cannot change list. Okay, so here is the example how to change tuple. Uh, we create a tuple, giving a list in it. We take index 2 and give it a value of x. That is not acceptable, as tuple cannot, as it is not a int value. Okay, so if we use, if we give t2 is equals to 2, that would work. Okay, sorry. Okay, element cannot be changed. So okay, nested items should be changed. I think okay, we'll come to it in a while. So that's Satish, for it's for the above example, for T4 index 4 0 1 2 3 4 1 0 1 6. When we print T, the whole is printed, but we are giving it a value of Satish. So there should be 6 instead of Satish. We have absolutely changed it. We have muted it, but I don't know why it is not working. T012 should be okay. I think it cannot be repeated. Let's try something else. I think it has been stuck somewhere. I cannot find out the mistake I am doing right now. Okay, it's just uh, we can see from here how to mutate or edit tuple. T4 comma T41 is equals to Satish. We have provided it a value. Okay, so oh sorry. Oh my bad. Tuple. We are here. We are trying to edit a tuple, and tuple are immutable. Oh, I'm very sorry. So tuples are immutable, so it is giving an error obviously. And when we are editing a list, the list can be edited easily, as it is mutable or editable. Okay, so sorry, tuple is non-mutable, so we cannot mutate it. See, you will get error obviously. Just small mistake there. Okay, let's now concatenating a tuple. Okay, there are two tuples, 1 2 3 4 5 6. We are adding it and printing it, so it will print only one tuple. It's pretty intuitive and simple. Okay, now repeating a tuple, it's very simple. Just multiply by 4 and always put a comma here. Rest everything else is simple. You can read it easy. Double deletion. It's just delete t, as we learned in the list. Just del and t. Double count example. It's just again frequency of 1. It is 3 times, so the output is 1. Okay, so we can try frequency of 2. You can check that it is frequency of 2 is 1 only. Count means frequency here. Index example. Okay, so t dot index 3. So what is at index 3? 0 1 2 3. It is okay, so uh 0 1 2 3. Let's print index of 1. T dot index is equals to is 1. It means first index is uh, what it is giving is index number. Okay, so index number of 1 is 0. Number of 2 will be 2. Sorry, 2 will be 1, as 2 is on first index. Look, it's pretty easy. Okay, so now 3 will be 2. So tuple membership example. Now we have learned the in keyword. Okay, so t is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We print 1 in t. It's true as 1 is in the t in the tuple. Okay, 7 in t false. That's pretty simple stuff. There. Built-in functions, yeah, just like length, that thing. T 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. We print len of t. It comes out to be 6. Okay, it's pretty good. Sort, we learned sorted about in list also. It's similarly 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. It's a tuple. We give sorted t, parameter t to sorted, and we print it. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in ascending order. Similarly, if we do max of t, we will get the maximum number among that, which is 9. And we then do min of t, we'll get the minimum number out of it, and sum of t, we'll get the sum of whole of the tuple. Okay, thank you guys. I think I'm going pretty easy. If you have any doubts, please do comment in section, the comment in comment section. Thank you.